Drill presses are a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, from drilling holes to sanding woods. In this video, I'll show you some of the most common uses for a drill press. Drilling holes. Drill presses are the perfect tool for drilling holes in a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. To drill a hole with a drill press, first clamp your workpiece to the table. Then select the appropriate drill bit for the material you're drilling. Next, adjust the speed of the drill press to match the material you're drilling. Finally, slowly lower the drill bit into the workpiece until it reaches the desired depth. Sanding wood. Drill presses can also be used to sand wood. To sand wood with a drill press, first attach a sanding drum to the spindle. Next, adjust the speed of the drill press to match the type of wood you're sanding. Finally, hold back the workpiece against the sanding drum and move it back and forth until the desired finish is achieved. Tapping threads. Drill presses can also be used to tap threads. To tap threads with a drill press, first clamp your workpiece to the table. Next, select the appropriate tap for the size of the thread you want to create. Then adjust the speed of the drill press to match the type of material you're working with. Finally, slowly lower the tap into the workpiece until it reaches the desired depth. Deburring. Drill presses can also be used to deburr. To deburr with a drill press, first attach a deburring tool to the spindle. Next, adjust the speed of the drill press to match the type of material you're working with. Finally, hold back workpiece against the deburring tool and move it back and forth until the burrs are removed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great videos like these.